In this video, I'm going to demo how to run a simple Python script in Windows laptop. Okay, I have already installed Python in this computer. Okay, I'm not using any editor like PyCharm or Spider. I'm going to demo how to execute a Python using command prompt. Okay, for that I opened a notepad. For example, I'm going to write a simple script that add two numbers. For example, a equal to 10, b equal to 20, c equal to a plus b, print c. Okay, this is a Python script to compute two numbers a and b having value 10 and 20. So result of c will be 30 and that will be printed, right? I'm going to save this particular script. Okay, save. Okay, I'm going to save this particular directory, and instead of text I have to change to all files and provide a file name. Okay, I'm just trying first.py. Okay, save this. Okay, have saved this Python script. Okay, so after saving this particular file in the computer hard drive, what we need to do, we need to execute this particular program, right? In order to do that, we need to open command prompt. Okay, so here I have saved this particular file in this location. Okay, so if you type cmd, so we'll get a command prompt, right? So I have already installed the Python, so I can execute this particular program. If you type dir, we can see, if you're not familiar with the command prompt here, if you type dir, we'll see what are the files in the directory. Here we have a file called first.py, right? I want to execute this particular Python script. If you want to execute a Python script, we can use the command python first.py. So Python execute the content inside inside this particular script. Okay, so we get the output, right? Okay, now if you want to execute this particular file with compilation, okay, now Python, once you do like this, okay, Python, once you provide this particular file to the Python command, it compile the particular script. Okay, this is our script. Okay, and it translate that particular script into a bytecode, and that particular bytecode get interpreted in Python virtual machine. Okay, now I want to compile, I just want to compile the file. Okay, python -m compile all first.py. So if you type dir, you can see a pycache folder here. Okay, cd pycache. Inside that you can see first.cpython.pyc file. Once you compile, earlier I used both earlier when I execute Python, I provide Python file name. What happens here is that it translates the program and it will do the execution as well. Okay, and here we are just compiling, it is not executing the file. Okay, so here I have provided an option like in this particular command python -m compile all. What file to compile? If you provide a particular directory or whatever, it will compile the files inside the directory. Okay, so here I have a pyc file. Okay, this pyc file can be executed. Okay, for example, python first.py. So we get the output, right? So either here you can provide a Python compiled file or you can provide a Python script. Okay. I hope you got an idea about how to run a Python script using command prompt. Thanks for watching.